Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do past perfect tense. In Spanish, we need two things to know: the verb haber, its conjugation, and past participle in Spanish. So let's see what happens in the class. Welcome to the session. Here we will learn about pretérito perfecto. In pretérito perfecto, the sentence structure is haber and participio. First part is haber and second part is past participle. See how to conjugate haber. Haber is an irregular verb, so the conjugation you have to memorize, practice. As we know about subject pronoun, there are first, second, third person singular and first, second, third person plural subject pronouns. So this agreement is important in order to conjugate haber. What to do? This conjugation you have to remember. You can say, read it: a, as, a, hemos, habéis, an. This is the conjugation. A, as, a, hemos, habéis, an. And in second part, we have to learn how to make past participle, or in Spanish we can say participio. See how to make participio. In Spanish we have AR, ER and IR ending verbs. So we have to drop AR and add ado, drop ER and add ido, drop IR and add ido. Let's see. Hablar, drop AR, add ado, hablado. Cantar, drop AR, add ado, cantado. Bailar, drop AR, add ado, bailado. Estudiar, drop AR, add ado, estudiado. Now for ER ending verbs, drop ER and add ido. Comer becomes comido. Beber, drop ER, add ido, bebido. Aprender, drop ER, add ido, aprendido. Saber, to know, drop ER, add ido, sabido. For IR ending verb, this is third one. Vivir, drop IR, add ido, vivido. Drop recibir, drop IR, add ido, recibido. Next, subir, drop IR, add ido, sabido, subido. Sorry for that. Partir, drop IR, add ido, partido. So now we have past participle of AR, ER and IR ending verbs. Actually, this is third form of the verb. And after this, just read once: hablar, hablado, cantar, cantado, bailar, bailado, estudiar, estudiado, comer, comido, in red, comer, comido, beber, bebido, aprender, aprendido, saber, sabido, vivir, in blue, vivir, vivido, recibir, recibido, subir, subido, partir, partido. Participio done. All participio are done. We have a small exercise. Let's do. Take one example. First example is, I have spoken. Translation would be, yo he hablado. three parts in the sentence. First, yo. Yo is subject pronoun. This is your subject part. And in the sentence structure, this is aber, first form of the verb. Aber becomes a, as, a, emos, abe, san. So this is first person singular conjugation of aber. This is conjugation A. And third, this is participio or past participle of the verb haber, hablar. So drop ar, add ado becomes hablado. So this is participio of the sentence. Take one more example and let's see how we can do it. Second example is she has studied. Translation: ella ha estudiado. Ella is subject pronoun. This is third person singular, subject part. And in the sentence structure we have haber conjugated in third person singular, a as a, this is a, third person singular, and estudiado, this is past participle of the verb estudiar, drop ar, add ado, estudiado. This is the sentence. So in a sentence we have to write subject, then haber and participio. I hope it is clear to you. This is a note that haber, this is an irregular verb, so you have to practice this conjugation. And one more thing, it will be used as the number and person of the sentence. And after then, subject and verb agreement is important in any sentence. Like this video. If you have any question, you can write, comment, and for other notifications, you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you soon. Happy learning. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed the class. How was it? You can write your comments. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.